Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on how to create a stream overlay if you're a streamer. So now for Twitch or any platform you'll be streaming on. So now you have two tabs open, which is the Pixlr editor tab and the Flaticon icon tab where you get your icon, the PNG without background. Now we'll go back to our Pixlr background. We'll click on create new. You can name it whatever name you want to name it. XXXXXX. And we have our width for 1920 and our height for 1080. Then we'll click on create. Now we have our interface. Now we are going to go back to Flaticon to get our icon. Now we already searched for Instagram, so we are going to click on this particular icon. Then after clicking on this particular icon, we'll click on copy PNG. Once we are done, we go back to our Pixlr tab. I will click on the screen and we paste our logo. Now for this, we're going to come here to edit stroke. We give it white and we're going to put the size at 20. So once we are done, we'll click on apply. Now for this, we are going to come here for the sizing. We're going to click on the old sizing and we'll click on 70. So automatically goes for 17 for everything, but I think we should use 100 here. So now we have 100. We're going to click on our Instagram icon back and then we just move it anywhere around it and leave it alone. Now we'll go back to our Flaticon and then we're going to search for another platform we'll be using, which is we'll be using YouTube. Click on the search box here. Now we are here on YouTube. Now we'll click on this particular one. After clicking on this particular one, I'm going to click on copy PNG like we did for the Instagram earlier. Now we are going to go back into our Pixlr, click on the screen, and we'll paste our icon. Then we do the same thing as we did, stroke, set it to 20, but this 21 is fine. There's nothing wrong with this one. We apply it. Then our sizing, like I said, we put it to 100, so everything will be in the same size. Then back to our Instagram and we'll put it side by side here. And then for the last one, that will be Twitch. And then we're going to search for Twitch. Now we have Twitch. We're going to begin for this one. Copy PNG. Go back here. Click on the screen and we paste. We give it the stroke like we did earlier for others. Set it to 20. Then we apply the size to 100 by 100. Then we bring it down here. Now everything is aligned. So what we do now is we are going to add our text. Now we're going to go to this T section. We click on it. We're going to add to the screen. And then we click on it. We're going to add this. Then we're going to include the name we want to use. I'll be using the name of my channel with 7 man, and we're reducing it in size to fit what we have here. Then I'm going to bring it here. Now one thing I'll be doing is I'm going to increase the size of my text to 70. Now that I've decided my text to be 70, I've decided my text to be 70. Now all I want to do now is I'm going to go back to this place so we can be able to control everything on the screen. We exit the text button. Now we have this. Now we're going to come back here. We're going to select everything. So to be able to move everything to the center. So once we move it to the center, yes, we have it done here. Now this is all. You're all done now. All we need to do now is go to File, Save. Oh, see, it's PNG recommended transparent. Now we're going to go to Save As. XXA is going to go back to our downloads on our system. Then we'll click on Save. And that's that about that. Thank you for joining us today. If you want any more tutorials on how to become a better streamer, please click on the subscribe button.